USS Shoup, a symbol of the U.S. Navy's commitment to Mediterranean sea security. USS Shoup is an Arleigh Burke-class destroyer that is part of the U.S. Navy's 6th Fleet in the Mediterranean Sea. The ship is named after General David M. Shoup, who received the Medal of Honor for bravery in World War II. The USS Shoup, equipped with a range of advanced weaponry and sensor technology, plays an important role in supporting security operations in the region. Operating in the Mediterranean Sea gives USS Shoup the opportunity to work with NATO allies and partner nations in the region. This engagement strengthens military relationships and coordination between the U.S. Navy and other nations in the region. It also plays a role in maintaining maritime security and combating security threats. USS Shoup's captain leads a crew of hundreds of trained officers and sailors. They work with dedication to keep the ship ready to operate in a variety of conditions. The ship also frequently participates in joint exercises with navies of allied nations, which strengthens synergy and interoperability between forces. While serving in the Mediterranean Sea, USS Shoup engages in maritime patrol operations to ensure the safety of sea trade lanes. These lanes are vital to the global economy as they connect Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. The presence of U.S. ships in the region helps prevent illegal activities such as smuggling and human trafficking. In addition to patrols, USS Shoup is also involved in rescue operations and humanitarian assistance in the event of a crisis. The ship can provide medical and logistical assistance to areas in need. USS Shoup's presence as part of the 6th Fleet allows the U.S. Navy to respond quickly to requests for assistance from countries in the region. The ship has high air, surface, and undersea defense capabilities. Advanced weaponry such as Aegis missile systems and torpedoes allow USS Shoup to operate effectively in a variety of situations. The ship is also equipped with advanced surveillance technology that helps detect and track threats around Mediterranean waters. During missions, USS Shoup contributes to regional stability through its deterring presence. The ship makes frequent port visits to allied countries, which helps strengthen diplomatic relations and introduces the local community to U.S. Navy culture. The crew of USS Shoup is often involved in cultural exchange programs with navies of other countries. This gives them the opportunity to learn from the experiences of their counterparts in other countries and strengthen international cooperation. Programs like these also help create stronger bonds between military personnel from different countries. One of USS Shoup's main missions is to support maritime security operations, including efforts against terrorism and cross-border crime. The ship helps maintain stability and safety in the Mediterranean Sea, ensuring that the waters remain safe for merchant and passenger ships. USS Shoup also plays a role in maintaining the U.S. presence in the region, which is critical to strategic interests and national security. The ship is part of the U.S. Navy's ongoing efforts to ensure freedom of navigation and support allies and partners around the world. USS Shoup's presence in the Mediterranean Sea symbolizes the U.S. commitment to maintaining security and stability in the region. Through successful operations and cooperation with allies, the ship plays a key role in maintaining peace and protecting U.S. and allied interests in the region. Throughout her service, USS Shoup continues to demonstrate the crew's professionalism and dedication to the mission. The ship's achievements and contributions are not only important to the U.S. Navy, but also to the international community as a whole. USS Shoup's missions involve not only military operations, but also partnership programs aimed at improving relations between nations. The ship works with allied nations to strengthen maritime security and maintain political stability in the region.